Hey everyone, welcome back to TSC Connect. I'm Physio Andrea, and today we're sharing a beginner level scoliosis-friendly workout that is all done in the seated position. This workout is perfect if you struggle with balance or dizziness, or if you don't feel like doing a workout where you have to transition from sitting to standing to lying to kneeling, like in many of our other workouts. If you like this and want to see more, please let us know in the comment section below. All you need for this workout is a sturdy chair, and make sure to keep your water bottle close by. Enjoy this seated workout, and we'll see you next time. Let's start with sitting expansion and elongation. So come to the edge of your chair and try and place equal weight on your pelvis. Likewise, try and place equal weight through your feet and have them flat on the floor. Put your hands on your thighs and gently press down to elongate through your spine, but make sure not to arch your back as you're doing this. Keep your head and your rib cage centered over your pelvis. From here, try and lengthen through your spine to reach the crown of your head up towards the ceiling, kind of floating up. From here, you can place your hands on your rib cage in the front or the back, whichever is more comfortable for you. Then here, inhale and expand your ribs. Exhale, feel them contract again. Inhale, trying to grow nice and broad and wide. Exhale, relax. We're going to do this movement for 30 seconds, breathing at your own pace. Try and stay elongated the whole time. Ready, set, go. Next, we'll get some movement into our upper body. Staying seated and elongated, this time add arm sweeps to your inhale. So as you inhale, sweep your arms forward and overhead. Exhale, float them back down towards your chair. Inhale, reaching upward, but make sure you don't arch your back. Again, trying to stay really centered as your hands come back behind you and then lower down. We're doing this movement for 30 seconds. Ready, set, go. Next, let's open our chest in conjunction with our breathing. So arms out in front, palms facing the ceiling. Stay elongated and expanded through your rib cage. Inhale, open your arms wide, making sure to broaden across your collarbones and your chest. Exhale, bring your arms back together. We're repeating this movement slowly, keeping our arms parallel with the floor for 30 seconds. Ready, set, go. Let's get a little more movement into our upper body. Bring your arms up in front of your chest as we're going to do some punches. So keeping yourself elongated, punch one arm forward, bring it back to the start position, and then punch it out to the side. Again, then you're going to switch sides. So forward, back to center, and out to the side. Just make sure not to hyperextend your elbows. Try and keep a gentle bend in them as you come into center and out to the side. We're doing this alternating movement for 1 minute. Go at your own pace. Ready, set, go. We're continuing with punches, but changing the direction of our movement. This time we're going to punch low down beside you and then punch straight overhead. If you have an armrest, it's okay to punch a little bit in front of you and then alternate with going overhead. We're switching sides. Down, back to center, and overhead. Punching down, back to center, and overhead, staying elongated through your spine and expanded through your rib cage the whole time. We're doing this for 1 minute, alternating sides. Ready, set, go. Now we're going to bring in a bit of movement, combining lower body and upper body with leg extensions to 45 degrees and arm sweeps. So take one leg and you're going to reach it out to the side, making sure not to tip your body, stay neutral. At the same time, sweep your arms overhead, again making sure not to arch. Bring yourself back to center, extend the other leg, reaching your arm overhead. So moving at full speed, you're stepping to the side and sweeping your arms at the same time. We're going to do this for 30 seconds, alternating sides. Ready, set, go. Next, we're going to warm up and move our hip flexors and our core by doing single leg marching. So keeping your pelvis centered on the chair, again, hands on your hips if you'd like to stay elongated. From here, just lift and hover one leg and tap it back down to the floor. Don't fully rest it. We're repeating this single leg marching movement for 30 seconds, trying not to arch back as you lift your leg. Ready, set, go. Switch sides in 3, 2, 1. This is the hardest movement of this series, where we're combining the hip flexors and core also with quad strengthening. So similar movement to last time, we're actually going to do a knee raise and then extend your leg to kick it, bring it back to a bent position and then tap down. We're doing this on the other side, so we're alternating sides for 30 seconds. Okay, ready, set, go. cool down starting with our figure 4 stretch. Take one leg, bend it, and bring the ankle to rest on the other knee. Stay on the edge of the chair. From here, place your hands on your knee and your ankle and gently push pressure downward. And then if you don't feel a stretch yet, you can slowly hinge at the hips to bring your belly button towards your leg. You should feel a stretch somewhere in your hip here. We're going to hold this position, staying elongated through your spine for 30 seconds on each side. Ready, set, go. Switch sides in 3, 2, 1. Lastly, we'll do a hamstring stretch. So stay seated on the chair with your pelvis even. Reach one leg out so that you're resting on your heel, but keep your knee a little bit bent. From here, hands on your hips, elongate your spine, and hinge at the hips to bring your belly button towards your thigh. From here, just breathe and expand and stretching your hamstring for 30 seconds on each side. Ready, set, go. Switch sides in 3, 2, 1. Completed your workout for today. Great job. See you next time.